Hello everyone, it is prime time to fish for some perch, and today we're gonna see if I can't catch myself some of these fish. This is my first time out on the kayak. I bought it off some guy on Facebook Marketplace. It's pretty nice. It's an old model, but the condition is very good. The stability is very good. It's not leaking. Overall, I'm happy with this purchase. I am going to bring this thing out for some portage backcountry type of trips. It's got a good little cubby in the back to put my backpack in. Give a better look for you guys. Right there. And then up front, we got a whole bunch of rope I could tie things to. This summer's gonna be fun. Oh, I'm on something. I'm on a little... It's hard to get to the camera. I'm on a little tiny one, look at that. Oh, shoot. Nope, don't go down there. I can't reach you if you go down there. There's a little tiny one. They're here. That's a good sign. First fish of the year. Confirmed officially. I mean, minus ice fishing, but that's the first one of the year. And good news is when there's one perch around, there's usually more. So we're gonna get my lure right back into the water here. I got my worm on here, right? Yeah. So I caught it on this little fake worm here. Nothing special, no live bait, no nothing. Let's get back in the water. So what I'm doing is I'm letting it sink to the bottom and I'm just bringing it up a couple inches. The water that I'm on right now is only about maybe 2.5 to 3 meters deep. So not very deep. Perch, they like to come into shallow waters in the springtime once that water warms up. They do that because they're getting ready to spawn. I did forget, I did catch that pike earlier this year. So technically that's not my first fish of the year. But it's the first fish of warm weather, so. There's a couple like air show planes that are flying there, like single prop air show planes. There was 2 of them in tandem, kind of flying around. They're coming in low, going high. Oh, he's doing a loop-de-loop, never mind. I really hope my camera's picking that up. I'm gonna start recording with my phone. I think I could capture it better. Yeah, he just did another loop-de-loop. Or barrel roll, whatever you want to call that. That's pretty cool. So I just checked FishBrain using the live map. Right now I'm in water, or over water, or in water that's 2.5 meters deep. All right, let's go to a new spot just for fun. Leave that in the water. Bring in the anchor. Spin around, and we'll try to find another spot. Yeah, so we're in about 2.1 meters of water. Come on, give me another fish here. It's so relaxing out here, I love it. Seat's comfy, the water's calm. I just need some fish. That's it. That's the only thing I'm missing. That and some spicy Italian salami. That'd be really good right now. Change spots one last time. I have about an hour before I gotta pack it in, so I'm gonna move it closer. Or sorry, I'm gonna move in closer to where it's about 2 meters. Very shallow. And see if it's any better. It's the evening now, so this is a really good time to catch some perch off a dock. So if I come in a bit closer, I think I have a better chance. Let's see what our map is saying. Just about 2 meters. So more shallow, closer. We should have a better chance here, hopefully. Not a guarantee. We're also over a nice weed bed, which is nice. I need more bullets. Doesn't seem like there's gonna be any more fish today. Yeah, I mean, I've been out here for 3 hours, almost. Hopefully I can get one here before the sun goes down, but it's not looking promising. I'm gonna fish out here for another 20 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna head in close back to the dock for the last little bit of sunlight. Also, there's a whole bunch of water in the compartment, at the bottom of the compartment behind me. I can't really see, but I know my jacket's at the bottom. How does it look? Can you see anything? Does it look bad? I just know my jacket and my bag are soaked. At least I don't really need any of them. Alright, let's move in shallow to wrap up the day here. We'll give it another 5-10 minutes. Just because I also don't want to pack up in the dark. Alright, it's gonna get dark. Hey, at least I didn't get skunked. Technically. It wasn't no prize fish, but at least I caught something. Yeah, well, unfortunately only that one fish today. Today was more to test out the kayak anyway. I picked it up about a month ago. So this video was more to kind of feel out the kayak, get used to it. But if you want to see more videos, I got them uploaded to my channel, just check them out. See you next time. That is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to check out the rest of my channel as I upload many other videos involving fishing and the outdoors. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a future video.